Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you delicious recipe of semolina pudding or suji halwa. So let's check out the ingredients. So to make the semolina pudding or semolina halwa, here I have taken 1 cup of semolina or suji. This is fine semolina, but you can take any semolina or suji that you have available at home. So this is 1 cup of semolina, grated coconut, some raisins, you can use any dry fruits, water, clarified butter or ghee and sugar 3 cups. Now let's prepare the pudding or halwa. For this take 1 heavy bottom pan, add 1 cup of semolina or suji. Now we have to dry roast this for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it starts changing its color. Keep on stirring. Do not leave it unattended, otherwise it will start burning quickly. So keep on stirring until it's changed its color. Once the semolina change its color, as you have seen here, it is slightly brown. Now add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee and keep on stirring while adding the ghee into the semolina. And now you have to roast it again for about 2-3 minutes on low medium flame until each and every particle roasted properly, otherwise it will give a raw smell. And now it's done. I will show you the closer view and this is how it looks like. Now this is the same cup in which I have measured the suji. With the same cup you have to measure 3 cups of water. Measurement needs to be perfect to make this pudding. So here I am adding 3 cups of water with the same cup. Make sure the heat is on low flame at this point. After adding the water, keep on stirring and heat is on low medium flame and cook it for about 5 minutes or until it gets thickened, as you have seen here. And this is the texture. The semolina soaked the water. After that, with the same bowl, add 3 cups of sugar in it and now mix it. And you will notice as you are mixing the sugar into the semolina, it will again watery. So now you have to cook it on low medium flame while stirring in between. And you will notice after 3-4 minutes it's again getting thick, and when you reach at this consistency, add dry fruits. I am adding the raisins only. And now give it a quick mix until it gets thick and you will notice it's almost done. After that, at the end add grated coconut inside that and give it a quick mix. After mixing it, if you are happy with the texture, switch off the gas and cover it and let it sit for about 2-3 minutes. And here is the semolina pudding or suji halwa ready to serve. Sprinkle some grated coconut on top of that and serve hot. And when you are making the semolina pudding or suji halwa, you have to make sure about the measurement. So you have to keep in mind the ratio is 1:3:3. That means 1 cup of semolina, 3 cups of water and 3 cups of suji with the same cup. So that you can get the perfect semolina pudding or suji halwa. And you can serve it with some puris and some black chickpea masala, and this is the full thali or the plate for serving. And if you like this recipe of semolina pudding or suji halwa, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.